If you're new to online sports betting and you've been hearing about FanDuel everywhere, this is going to walk you through it in a simple, realistic way so you understand how the whole system works, what you're actually doing when you place a bet, and how people navigate the platform without getting confused. This is not about easy money or guaranteed wins, because sports betting doesn't work like that. It's entertainment that involves risk, and the smartest approach is always to stay responsible, understand the odds, and never bet more than you can afford to lose. FanDuel Sportsbook is operated by FanDuel, one of the most popular sportsbooks in the United States. It allows users in eligible regions to place bets on sports like football, basketball, baseball, soccer, and more. Everything is done online through their app or website, www.fanduel.com UTM_source equals chatgpt.com, which is designed to be beginner friendly but still packed with advanced features for experienced bettors. When you first approach something like FanDuel, the biggest thing to understand is that you are not predicting winners in a simple way. You are working with odds. Odds represent probability and payout. So before you even place a bet, the most important skill is learning what those numbers mean. For example, if you see a team listed at -150, that means they are favoured to win, but you have to risk more money to earn a smaller profit. If you see +200, that team is the underdog, meaning they are less likely to win, but the payout is higher if they do. This balance between risk and reward is what makes sports betting interesting and also what makes it risky if you don't understand it properly. To get started, the first thing someone would do is create an account on the FanDuel website or app. You'll be asked to enter basic details like your email, password, and date of birth. This step is important because sports betting is only allowed for users who meet the legal age requirement in their region. Once your account is created, you may also need to verify your identity. This can include submitting an ID or confirming your address. It might feel like extra steps, but it's actually a security requirement and also part of gambling regulations. After your account is set up, the next step is funding your account. FanDuel typically supports multiple payment methods depending on your region, such as debit cards, bank transfers, or digital wallets. Once you deposit money, that balance becomes your betting bankroll. This is the money you will use to place wagers. One of the most important things beginners should understand here is bankroll management. Even experienced bettors don't put all their money on one game. They spread risk across multiple small bets because sports outcomes are unpredictable. Once your account has funds, you can start exploring the sportsbook. The interface is usually divided by sports categories. You might see NFL, NBA, MLB, soccer leagues, tennis, and more. When you click on a sport, you'll see a list of upcoming games and different types of bets available. This is where things can feel overwhelming at first, but it becomes easier once you understand the basic bet types. The simplest type of bet is called a Moneyline bet. This is just picking which team you think will win the game. No points, no conditions, just a straight winner. If you pick correctly, you win based on the odds attached to that team. If you pick incorrectly, you lose your stake. Another common type is the spread bet. This is where things get a bit more strategic. Instead of just picking a winner, the sportsbook assigns a margin of points to even the matchup. For example, if a team is -6.5 on the spread, they need to win by at least 7 points for your bet to win. If you pick the underdog at +6.5, they can either win outright or lose by less than 7 points, and your bet still wins. This is designed to balance matchups between strong and weak teams. Then there are over/under bets, also called totals. In this type of bet, you are not picking a winner at all. You are predicting whether the total combined score of both teams will be over or under a specific number. For example, if the total is set at 48.5 points in a football game, you are deciding whether both teams together will score more or less than that. As you get more familiar with the platform, you'll also see parlays. Parlays combine multiple bets into one single ticket. The catch is that all your selections must win for you to get paid. The advantage is that payouts are much higher, sometimes significantly higher, because the risk increases with each added selection. Many beginners are attracted to parlays because of the potential big payout, but it's important to understand that the difficulty increases the more legs you add. There are also prop bets, which are bets on specific events within a game. For example, instead of betting on who wins, you might bet on whether a specific player will score a touchdown, how many points a basketball player will score, or even things like the result of a coin toss in football. These bets are often more specific and can be harder to predict, but they add variety to the experience. Once you select a bet, FanDuel makes it very simple to place it. You just tap on the odds and it gets added to your bet slip. The bet slip is like your shopping cart. It shows what you selected, how much you want to stake, and what your potential payout could be. This is the moment where you decide how much money you are willing to risk. This is also where discipline matters most. Many beginners make the mistake of increasing their stake emotionally after a loss, which can lead to bigger losses. The smarter approach is to set limits before you start and stick to them. After you confirm your bet, it becomes active. From that moment, all you can do is wait for the game to finish. Once the result is final, your account is automatically updated. If you win, your profit is added to your balance. If you lose, the stake is deducted. It's a simple system on the surface, but the difficulty lies in consistently making correct predictions over time. One thing that makes FanDuel popular is the live betting feature. This allows you to place bets while a game is already in progress. Odds change in real time depending on what is happening in the match. For example, if a team scores early, their odds might shorten, while the other team's odds might increase. Live betting requires quick thinking because the situation changes constantly. There are also promotions and bonus offers that new users sometimes receive. These can include risk-free bets or deposit matches, depending on availability. While these offers can give you extra value, they usually come with conditions, such as wagering requirements, meaning you may need to place additional bets before you can withdraw bonus funds. As you spend more time on the platform, you'll notice that successful betting is not about guessing randomly. It's about research, understanding stats, injuries, team form, and even external factors like weather conditions in outdoor sports. Serious bettors treat it like analysis, not luck. It's also important to talk about expectations. Many people enter sports betting thinking they will win consistently, but the reality is that even experienced bettors lose frequently. The goal is not to win every bet, but to make smart decisions over time that give you a better chance of profit than random guessing. If you ever feel like you're chasing losses or betting emotionally, that's usually a sign to take a break. Another important aspect is responsible gambling. Platforms like FanDuel include tools that allow users to set deposit limits, time limits, or even self-exclusion options. These tools are there to help maintain control. Betting should always stay within entertainment boundaries, not turn into financial pressure. In the end, using FanDuel is a mix of understanding odds, managing your money, and making informed decisions. It's not complicated once you get used to the structure, but it does require patience and discipline. The people who struggle the most are usually those who ignore strategy and focus only on chasing wins. So if you're approaching FanDuel for the first time, take it slowly. Learn how odds work, start with small bets, explore different bet types, and avoid emotional decisions. Whether you win or lose, the key is to treat it as a structured activity, not a shortcut to income.